Hi, my name is Gatomi Noguchi, and I'm a full-time software engineering student at Flatiron School. And this is a demo of my Phase 2 project. It's an MVC Sinatra application, so it uses models, views, controllers, and I also used Active Record. My project is overall for recording your personal records or PRs at the gym. So for the most common weight exercises like deadlifts, bench press, etc. I'm not a super big gym goer, but I'd like to start being one, which is kind of one of the reasons why I decided to make this application. This app uses full CRUD functions, so a user is able to create, read, update, and delete any PRs that are on the site. So this is my home page. I basically use materialized CSS to style everything. Our course didn't go too much into HTML or CSS, so Materialize was a very good resource to have. It was really fun to work with. So this navigation bar, this footer, the sliding banner, these containers, they were all created using Materialize. And these are just a couple of external anchor links for resources. And these are just static pages that I kind of put as placeholders. I just kind of created quickly. And these terms and conditions are probably not even legitimate, but I just wanted to have them for kind of like a professional look. But yeah, so let's go through what a user flow would look like on the site. So let me start out by logging out. So I guess a new user would start off by creating an account. So I'm just going to make an account for myself again, but with another email. And you enter your password, it's encrypted using bcrypt, so should be pretty secure. So since this is a new user, there are no PRs logged yet. It displays your name and your PR journal. I haven't recently viewed any workouts yet as well. So a user can just go in and add a new PR. I'm just gonna say that I did bench presses today. Let's say that my PR is 120, January 8th, and I can log the PR. And there you go. So you can see it was added onto my list. I can go ahead and add another one if I wanted to. High bar squat. Honestly, I'm super weak and these are just random numbers, but you get my point. Can log the PR here. Cool. So I can select one of these and click into view its individual page. So the bench press page I clicked into. If I go back to my journal, I'll be able to see that my recently viewed has changed back to bench press instead of none. I can go back. And from here, from the view page, I can either update or delete this record. So if I wanted to update, you can see that's already pre-populated, so you don't have to put re-input all of your information, just change whatever you want. So maybe I mistakenly put 120 instead of 125. I can update the PR. And it shows that it's been updated and it takes you back to the view page. I can also go ahead and delete this here, and it takes you to the journal page. And you can see that specific entry has been removed. And I also implemented flash messaging. So for example, if I log out here and I were to try to sign in with a wrong password that doesn't match, it'll prompt you and it'll say, please enter a valid username and password. Same thing with sign up. If I try to sign up without a password or some other field, these are all required to sign up. it'll say that one or more required fields were left empty. So that was pretty cool to implement. Yeah, this was a pretty fun project since phase one's project was a command line interface without much UI, and I'm feeling closer to being a real developer and can't wait to keep learning. Thanks for watching.